Hey everyone, welcome back to English Dialogue Box. The first night in a hostel is never just a night. It's a mix of fear, hope, excitement, and silence that feels heavier than luggage. Two strangers, one room, different backgrounds, different stories, but the same question quietly sitting between them. Who are you, really? Tonight, this is not a fast conversation. It's not small talk. It's about villages and cities, parents and siblings, dreams packed inside suitcases, and worries left unspoken at home. This is a first-night hostel conversation where strangers slowly become roommates and roommates begin to feel like family. If you've ever stayed in a hostel or left home for the first time, this conversation will feel familiar. Let's listen. Cut to door opening, suitcase placed down, two boys exchanging a look.
So, you finally made it. Yes. The bus was late, then the rickshaw driver took a shortcut that felt longer than my degree. City shortcut rule. If they say shortcut, prepare for adventure. I started questioning my life choices halfway. Welcome to hostel life. Questioning never stops. First day nerves? A little. Don't worry. Silence here is temporary. Noise will take over soon. I'm not used to this kind of quiet. All right, traditional roommate ritual. What ritual? You talk, I listen. Then I judge silently. That's comforting. Relax. Tell me about yourself. From where? From wherever your heart starts. I come from a village where mornings start early, not because of alarms, but because roosters take their job seriously. Roosters with discipline. Exactly. Life there is slow, but honest. People greet you, even strangers ask about your family. In the city, strangers avoid eye contact. Here, I felt invisible on the bus. What about your parents? My father never went to college, but he understands responsibility better than any book. That's real education. He believes silence is strength. When he talks, everyone listens. Strong presence. My mother talks more, she worries more, and she prays the most. Did she cry when you left? She said she wouldn't, then cried while packing my clothes. Classic. She kept saying, eat properly, sleep properly, and don't trust anyone. And now you're in a hostel, opposite of all instructions. Your siblings must miss you. My younger sister thinks I'll come back rich. Dangerous expectation. My elder brother said, study well, but also learn how the world works. Smart advice. School wasn't easy. Tell me. Sometimes one book was shared by 3 students. Sometimes teachers were absent. But she showed up. Because my father used to say, no matter what happens, don't skip effort. What about first city shock? Traffic. People don't wait. Even signals feel optional. City logic is flexible. In the village, people wait for each other. Here, everyone is racing alone. You'll soon learn hostel rules, such as never leave food unattended and never assume 5 minutes means 5 minutes. Noted. I won't lie, I'm scared. Of what? Of failing, of disappointing my family. That fear means you care. What about you? City boy, but pressure is the same. How? Different expectations, same weight. Do you think studying is enough? No, but it's a starting point. Skills scare me. They scared me too, until I realized fear disappears with practice. I thought hostel would be fun. It is, between hunger, noise, and exams. I already miss home food. Everyone does. Mess food builds character. Talking helped. That's the magic of late nights. I feel less alone. You're not. Hostel turns strangers into brothers. Thank you for listening. Anytime. Tomorrow feels less heavy. It usually does, after sharing the load. The first night decides nothing, but it starts everything.